very, very happy Saturday to you guys. Thank you for joining for Insight Session 4. As always, here tonight with Nature's Blessings, we are going to start today's Insight Session to know more about your current progress and how we can support you further. So thank you so much for joining. Myself, Jessica Prabhakar, the founder and director of the Purpose Foundation. And we have Lakshmi, who is a pillar and everything today because I will be on the move and she is going to support in between and between. Okay, so our COO is also here. So thank you all for joining and Team PSLB.
Ma'am, I'm Srinidhi.
Srinidhi is there, okay. Anyone else is there in your team, Srinidhi?
No, ma'am, right now they are not available.
Okay, please give us your problem and solution in one sentence, please.
Ma'am, if I say it in one sentence, you will say that it is 10 standard project and you will say get out. So,
Okay, I'm going to say get out then. What?
ma'am,
Take two
it's on
sentences.
fire and smoke detection using deep learning algorithm.
Sorry, what?
Fire and smoke detection using deep learning algorithm.
Fire and smoke detection. Okay. Okay. Is this a tension? I didn't my attention at this project, so it's very big only. You tell me, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, like most of the commercial buildings are right now facing this particular problem, where due to the short circuit or something, the whole building gets fired easily, right? So only because of that, we thought of building this particular prototype where it will be useful for so many commercial buildings. We are restricted to the commercial buildings and the factories because it is illegal to set up the camera inside the residence. So only because of that, we are restricted to the commercial buildings.
Okay, so you want to like in case there is a fire, the smoke will set off the like thing and give the like a message or something. Is it your product?
Ma'am, actually it is, but it is one of the feature in our.
Isn't that what the smoke alarms do?
Ma'am, that's what, ma'am. It's just one of the feature in our prototype. We have
What are
lot
the
many
other
features. So the like let me say the existing and then coming to the prototype, ma'am. So the first one is that the origin of the fire is not well known. If we are able to find where is origin, we can easily destroy or extinguish the fire there itself and not let the fire to spread out. So this is what the first thing. And for that we are using an algorithm called as the GradCam algorithm. And where it easily finds out where the origin of the fire is and it creates alarm sending directly that there is a fire there. So
So
and the
no
second
matter
is
what
that,
amount of smoke is there, your algorithm can detect the source of the fire. That's what you're saying. No matter how smoky it is, how like
yes, ma'am.
it
Yes,
can.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And second
Okay.
one is that coming to the efficiency, like so many the prototypes available, they do not extinguish between the orange shade light and the fire. And we have very good algorithms where we can easily find out the fire or the orange shade light. That is, we can be so accurate, we can reduce the false prediction in something. And the third one is that coming to the rescue part, so what if the people are inside or they are getting trapped and they could not come out? So there is high possibility that they could be unconscious, they could not shout. So these are the chances that we have. And as I said, we are setting the parameters. Like the camera will be there, and carbon monoxide sensors will be there, and we are eradicating the false prediction because we are having the sensor as well as the visual representation too, so that we can easily find the people inside. The next question you have is that how can you find the people inside, because there will be smoke surrounded in the area, and the camera could not easily find where the peoples are exactly. For that we are having an algorithm called as the de-hazing algorithm. So as the name suggests, de-hazing means clarifying the images. It actually clarifies the smoky images and finds who are the people inside. So
Okay.
using that, we are integrating it with the YOLO algorithm. So YOLO, it easily predicts how many people are inside. It gives the count, exact count to the fire department. And we are actually planning to do application also, where it is only meant for the fire departments. Say, for example,
Okay.
if it is near Tambaram, if they, the accident is near Tambaram, we have an algorithm where it sends the exact location where the accident has occurred. So, using that, we will connect it with the nearby fire stations or something using that app so that they can come and rescue the teams inside. So, this is what we have done. And
Understood.
right now, we have completed the software part. As I said before, the grad cam, the saliency map, and the dehazing algorithm, everything we have finished. And only thing left is that the IoT device part. We have to integrate the same code with the IoT apparatus.
So integrate with the hardware part. Okay. So which year are you studying, Srinidhi?
Ma'am, I'm pursuing like fourth year. I'm currently in fourth year.
Oh, all of your team members are fourth year?
Yes, ma'am.
Which department?
Computer science.
Computer science. This is your final year project, I believe.
Yes, exactly, ma'am.
This is your very good. What's your plan after college?
Obviously to get placed and then go for
What is obvious about it? No, obviously.
ma'am,
Say,
because we have to
no
get the
other way.
industrial
Society
experience.
has forced us so obviously. You should put that sentence into that. Okay.
Ma'am, because we have to get the industrial experience, then come to the startup so that we can get idea how the industry
Okay.
works and so on.
Everybody in your team wants to go for placements.
Yes, ma'am.
All of them. Do you want to do this side by side, or you want to like just do this now as a project and maybe develop it to an extent, give it to someone or sell it to someone, or you want to keep it and then do it later after 2 years?
Ma'am, I have to do the industrial, like what it is actually, what is the need currently. But I understand that there is a need everywhere for this particular prototype. But I have to exceed my research on this.
No, what I'm asking is if you want to sell, okay, let's assume you have all developed it within next 2 months. Okay. Do you want to sell the whole technology? Do you want to collaborate with someone else and they can do it? You can do it side by side. Or do you want to just make it to some extent now and then after 2 years you want to start your own company? These are the
We
three
have to
options.
sell it, ma'am. Sell it.
You are interested to sell it. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay. Interested to sell. So your target is basically fire department. That's the first target, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because like they will have to, like have the app or the notification, or even if they go somewhere, like they have to get that app to see what is happening and all. And the fire department also more fire prone areas. You will attach this to the camera. Is that what you're saying? So the camera is already there. You will attach your device to the camera, or you can just put your software into the camera. So what is the idea here?
Ma'am, actually, we are using the existing CCTV camera available inside the commercial building.
Okay.
And inside that, we are just going to integrate it. That's it.
Okay, so if I am, introducing you to a company who's making some burners or something which is very, very high risk for fire, okay, they have cameras. So you will go and install your software into that. That's all, or you put your device and sensors everywhere.
Ma'am, only the software and sensor part because camera is already existing there. Right?
That only I'm asking. They have the camera. You have to put your sensors everywhere, right? You have to go and
Yes,
place
ma'am.
it
Yes,
everywhere.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You have
Ah,
to set up
so
all the
you have
apparatus
to
over
mix
there.
it. It's a hardware thing also. It's not only software they can download in the camera. It's the sensor. You have to place it everywhere. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
Okay. So you have not developed the sensors yet. You have only done the software part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you don't know how efficiently this will work yet.
Ma'am, we know how efficiently our software works, but we have not integrated with the hardware and we have not tested it.
So if it is like full on smoke, you have taken the video of it from open source and seen that okay, it is able to scan it and identify humans. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have developed it to that level. So what is the accuracy level?
Ma'am, till now the accuracy of it is 96 percentage.
Okay. Okay, so the again the hardware part is also very important, because where are we going to put sensors, and if somebody has to put it in their building, then they will think a lot, right? No matter if it's factory or not. Like factory, at least, yeah, they'll give you a chance because it's prone to fire. So
Yes.
you can make it like a thing where they have to fix these sensors because of these things and blah blah all of that. So we can probably, why can't you do like an attachment to the fire alarm itself, like your sensors? If is it like one sensor, or is it like so many sensors? Like how does it look?
Ma'am, for say for example, for first floor or something, because there will be so many floors, obviously. So in the first floor, if they depending upon the area, we will be setting the sensors. Number of sensors depends upon the area.
Okay, no, I'm asking. I understand that you have to place it at multiple places. I'm asking, like, is it only one sensor, like you have to place, or you have like two or three, like one is for dehazing, one is for this, like that. You have five, six sensors everywhere you should place.
Ma'am, no,
Is that
ma'am, only one sensor for
only one
carbon.
sensor?
Yes, ma'am,
Ah,
only one sensor.
okay. So
So
you have.
remaining is the work of software, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, so what we have to do is, ideally we have to partner, or we can sell it to the fire alarm players who already sell the fire alarm systems, right? So you can
Yes.
put your sensor in that, and then the software you can sell it separately. You can just give them the sensors and the design of how to make it into their fire alarm system, right? So when they sell it to the factories, you can give your software to them. So for each software you sell, you can take some amount. Do you understand?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
some percentage you can, like each time they sell the license for the software, or each time they get a payment for the software, like monthly usually they charge, or something yearly they charge. So for that you can get like that kind of thing. We can work out. That is the easiest thing that you can do. Immediately go to a already who's manufacturing it, ask him to make the sensors with the hardware part, so that you can have your sensors software. You can give it to them like a licensing fee. For each license, you can take a fee from that. You can make money out of it. So this is the way. The very very. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to completely find someone who is interested in this, who can buy the technology. Random, I'm telling you. Whoever is looking for some business wants to invest in this and take it. Or we have to look into a manufacturer who is interested to take the project completely. So these are the options that you have. But all of this is based on how well your product is designed, right? So what you can do is, you can make a list and give us the exact things that you have done, and what are the pending things that you have to do, with the accuracy level, with what software you have used, like complete write up of what you have done, right? And then what you need to complete, like what support you need, like you need mentor, you need some guidance, you need some people to help you with the hardware software integration. If you have something like that, we will get you people to help you figure out, so you can make it faster, right? Once this is all done, then we will find the people who can take this technology, so you can come and pitch it to them. We will sell it to them and figure out a good deal for you, so that you can get some benefit. So these are the things that you should do, next three steps.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so because I think, which college are you from?
SAR Institute of Technology.
Okay. First of all, I want to appreciate your English is really good, and the way that you're speaking, everything is very crystal clear. I think you have a very good way of presenting things. So you have that talent as well. So
Thank you.
you have a lot of talent. So I think you should pursue side by side on entrepreneurship, or at least making another income. I feel like that'll help you, right? At least to buy clothes or do whatever you want, to go on a trip, you can use that money, right? So
Yes,
think
ma'am,
smart.
exactly.
Use your hard work of 4 years you have spent in engineering, means take all of that and make some money out of it. You have paid lakhs to the university, right? We have to take something at least out of that. So you have a good product here with some features. You have to also look at the competitors and all of that, and the pricing, all of that aspect are there. But first, you choose your path. You make a list of what all is there and what you intend to finish. Like I asked you, right? Then also make a list of the competitors, because tomorrow they will ask like, already this is there, why should I buy from you, and how we are unique, or price wise how we are affordable. Like that we have to convince these people, then only they will take it up for manufacturing. They will, because they will ask you, do you know your competitor, do you know your who is what price they're selling. Like that they will ask us, so there we can't go and blink. You understand? So
Yes, ma'am.
that once you figure out your hardware part also, make a list of all the things you have done, the current status, and what is the pending work, then what support you need. Finally, fourth thing which you have to do is to make the list of the competitors as well and their pricing. It can be India, it can be abroad also, right? That doesn't matter. But we should know the competitors, because if we are going to sell it to someone, if you want to make money, you should convince them really well. So you need points for that, right? Like, hey, I have researched my competitor, this product is better, it has higher accuracy. That will convince them very well, because then they will think, yeah, you have done your research, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have any other questions for us?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like
Yes.
as I said before, I'm doing an application.
Yes.
So, but not in subscription basis.
Okay.
Then how do I make money, ma'am?
Okay. So you are going to integrate it with the camera, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you said. So the app is for the camera, to operate the camera. That's what you said.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Not to operate the camera, but to take only the output from the camera and give it to the fire department. We are avoiding
Okay.
the third party.
That part itself I have not considered here, because see, again, that is again a social aspect of things. Okay. If you're talking about the business aspect alone, now I'm taking only that aspect, because you don't want to take it into a startup and all of this, right? At this point. So you have to deal with one thing at a time. See, building a software and sensor, integrating it with the camera is one work. So the camera will do the filtering. It will give the trigger to the particular person, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
That particular person first. That is whoever they assign, like a manager or security or whatever. First,
Oh, yes, ma'am.
this is the first one, easiest one. Then giving a trigger to the nearby fire department. If they give the contact over there itself, you can make an automatic call to the fire department. Make it easy. Again, making an app for it is like, what is the point? Just make a call, and that time itself the fire department will have GPS probably to track it. Definitely, I feel like that should be there. You want to
Yes,
send the location, right? That's what you said. From your app, you want to send the location. You want to call the fire department or whatever. Like, what is the use of that app really? You just want to contact, like, make an automatic call to this department. They will definitely, because they are literally there during emergency. So they will trace it and they will come. Because you
sure,
are
ma'am.
giving, yeah, whoever you give that option to the customer, whoever is handling the software, let them input the nearest fire station's contact number. Why do you want to take the headache? You can't do everything in the product unnecessarily, right?
Okay,
This
ma'am. Okay.
this one you focus, making it very accurate, making it very very the dehazing system, everything you make it. You can use it for fog. You can use it everywhere, right? The same technology. It has a lot of applications.
Yes, ma'am.
In hilly areas, in snow covered areas, in mountains also accidents happen. You can simply take the software, put it in the camera dashboard of your car, and you can sell that as a product as well. Like, make it a dehazing one to see the road in front. How many accidents can you avoid? Every car can have this product if your software is good.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to think like that, right? From a business angle. I hope you understand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yeah. So if your software is strong, your dehazing system, that one thing itself is actually very strong. The dehazing, right?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
works in lot of applications, not only fire, in fog, in everything. You just have to replace the sensor to withstand moisture, you will give the screen to the driver. Means so many accidents you can avoid. I'm just giving you some examples, right?
Yes, sir.
This you can start later as a next product, and you can keep improving it. All of that if you find a good collaborator. So think on all of this again. Don't go into the app and don't complicate. Your focus is to DHS to give them clear picture. You are strong in software and you are like CSC student only. No, you all of them. You're strong in
Yes, sir.
software part. Do the software really well. That's all. What is your strong point? Focus on that. Others, let them figure out. Like make it to the best extent. That's all. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, very
Awesome.
thank you. I'm very grateful to the repurpose for this
No
because
problem.
I got so many insights from this particular conversation from you.
Okay. That's why it's called inside session. I'm making mocha joke again, don't. Anyway, but it's a good product. So you have to think. Thinking matters. That's all. It's all about thinking. Okay. So you're doing good job. It's not an instant project. It's a very international project. Next time you don't say that. Okay. That much is
Thank
enough.
you. Thank you. Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. All the best. Next team, Tech Army. Our favorite Sejal is there. Sejal only, no Sejal's team.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste. Yes, welcome, Sejal. Okay, so can you tell us your problem and solution? Just one line.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my thing is completely based on e-commerce platform, which is made only for the local sellers. Like me and my team members all live in village, and we have seen there that all the locals from village and all come to our space and sell their product. Since they don't have many more social things and all, so we decided to make a particular website for them. It's like first we are making an AI based application. So what they will do, they will just click the photos of the product which they are selling, and they will send it to that application. Our AI will scan that application. It will give brief descriptions about that thing, and it will fix the price of that product, and it will like that same thing we will copy paste to our e-commerce website. We are making another website too, which is for the consumer who is going to
Okay.
consume the things. So
Okay.
our consumer will buy the product from that website. And ma'am, also we are providing a training. We have talked to our college, and our college said they will provide training to the seller who will sell the product, like how to use the software, because village people doesn't know about these things and also our college will provide the training and certificate, and our college will also teach them how to make a new things. What they if they are making a bell metal things and all, so how to make new product from that metal things, like.
Okay, Sejal. So you are going to give the training for making the products also and make a platform. Like you will create a website for them to post these products and you will fix the pricing for them. Then for the customer, you will showcase these products and make e-commerce site to buy it. So there are two things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Sejal and your team, like all of you, which year are you studying?
Ma'am, we all are in third year right in computer
Okay,
science
which
department.
department?
CS, ma'am.
Yes. So all of you are interested to take jobs or are you interested in the startup?
Ma'am, currently we all are thinking for mastery first of all.
Okay, sorry, higher studies.
And we all have planned to do job first. When we get income, then we'll do our own business. We are thinking like that.
Okay, fine. Then getting income and okay. Okay. Then think of startup. But immediately no idea of startup, right?
No, ma'am. For immediate, like we want to spend all the things by our own money. So for that, we are
Okay,
thinking to do
why
job
don't you do
first.
this? Like, see, simple thing. This is no. I mean, to be honest, it's not like it's basically Amazon, which you're trying to do, like e-commerce for products, but specifically focused on Chhattisgarh and their handicrafts or the artists' products, right? So that's
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
want to do. Okay, so let's talk about this. So since you don't want to do a startup, just to make a website for them is like a big question mark. How because even in any website it relies completely on promotions and marketing, which needs a lot of money, right? So why do you want to take the toughest route? let's think about a very simple thing. As you said, many of them don't know how to post their products, correct? They don't know
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
use the internet. Why don't you provide them a service or like a training, like you said, where you can just post their products for them in their brand, because these people will have a company. Probably the artist will have a company. So you can sort of create the postings for them, do the products for them and post it, and then take some small fee out of it. Whatever online you post and you sell, you can take a small fee out of it. How to make ads, how to do promotions in Amazon itself or in any other shopping site. Have you thought about doing that for them first?
Yes, ma'am. I also took a survey actually, and a few of them also like sell their project to Amazon. But they said that in Amazon they will like they won't get much order actually.
They're not getting orders. Okay.
Hmm.
So in case, see, with Amazon, first of all, there are some commissions, and second of all, if you promote only, you will get orders. Not all the time. It has to come in the first page, right?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
somebody is searching for handmade cups or some bowls or something, in first page, if it does not come, people don't even go more than first page. They go maximum to fifth page. Maximum, I'm telling. I don't see people who go to, unless it's clothes or something, probably. For some other gift, they just see, okay, this looks nice, they gift it. This is much only thinking for the gifts. Or what kind of products? Can you give me a description of the products?
Yes, ma'am. Mostly they will sell the metal art and wooden art, and lots of like local things are there. We say para art and all. Like it's a local thing
So,
in Chhattisgarh, and
look,
Kosa sari is very famous in Chhattisgarh. So the local
okay.
people only make these things, and they comes to like they migrate to the cities to sell all of this product.
Okay, so when you talk about this, right, like say these saris or these products, again, all of this comes into marketing only. The products are going to be good. It's going to be very local and it's going to be very good. No doubt at all about it, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let me ask you this before that. Like, do you want to take this as a final year project, or this is just like a temporary thing you're trying? Like, what is your idea?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are thinking to take it as a project to keep it in our resume, like group project. We'll
Group
mention
project.
this as a group project.
Group project. Okay. Okay. Because technically speaking, more than the website, it has a lot to do with the marketing only, which is called digital marketing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
To be honest, they don't necessarily need e-commerce website specifically for Chhattisgarh or anything. I would say there are a lot of e-commerce, or there are a lot of sites where you can sell handmade stuff like this locally, those kind of things. Many websites, many people are already selling this offline, online, they are selling. So if you can push it to their platform, like very, very famous gifting platforms, which is a very famous gifting shop. I can't think of
Ma'am,
any.
FNP.
Very good. See, excellent. Yes, FNB is a very, very excellent example. Yes. See, you are right. So if you can do it in FNB, right? If you do it in Funds and Petals itself, like if you help them post it, or if you can go to, if you talk to Funds and Petals, say that, we have a collection of these products. These are very affordable and very unique, local products which they can use for gifting. Then that itself, like, they need help with sales, ideally. Okay, they need help with sales. Let us talk about you now. Their problem is the sales and to make profit. If you talk about you guys are from computer science and you want to show this as a group project. So for that, if you build an e-commerce website, e-commerce is like it's already there. Literally, there are so many APKs you can. Sorry, API. I don't know what it is. APK or API. Something which is already open source, which you can take and build and customize. So it is not really unique to build an e-commerce platform to show in your project. If you want to show in your project alone, I'm talking only in your project alone. So two things. Do you want to help the artist to boost their sales? That is a separate project completely. Or do you want a project where you can showcase your computer science skills? So you have to answer this question for me. What do you want to do? Based on this only, I can give you the next step.
Ma'am, actually, we was like before like participating in this app for purpose. Actually, we was not having any idea like what project we have to make. We got sudden idea according to your things and all, and like we selected. After selecting it, we thought like we will submit this as our project and we will sell our idea to someone who is interested to buy our idea and all. We were
Okay.
thinking like that.
Okay, very good. So the good thing is that you want to take this as a project which you can sell to somebody, right?
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
also like gain experience on the software point of view. So I'm going to ask you this now. Are you completely focused on e-commerce, computer site building thing, or are you okay if I have a real problem which needs something like the computer thing? If I have a problem with, if you can build it for me, like, is it okay? Are you open to that?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
Okay, because see again, your particular problem has a lot of things to do with the sales only. It's not just building e-commerce site to sell an e-commerce site. The main thing is the traffic to the site and how much attention it has, how much branding it has. So e-commerce site has a lot to do with the company you have to register. Then only you can sell, and all these complications are there. But what you can do is, either if you are very much in love with your idea to help these artists or something, you can make a database of entire products of Chhattisgarh and all the artists of Chhattisgarh, their products, make posting out of it, and then this can be integrated anywhere to FNP or Amazon, like something we can give them that, hey, we have a database with the photos, with everything made. And we have prepared it in a site. You can take all the data from our site and you can help these people. So this can be like a project, like a one-time thing, but you don't showcase your skills much here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because e-commerce is very well known. But if I give you like certain problems which we are doing now for industries, there are many students working in different groups with like one project itself has like 7 different sections in the particular software hardware. So one person will build one part of the software, other person will build other part of the software. Like that, each one we have split up the work. So if you are interested in that, if you can tell me what all the coding skills you have or what language you are interested in, then you can work on our requirement and you can showcase it as a project. We will give you a certificate and everything, whatever you have done, and you can use it as showcasing a project. So if you are interested in that, we can do that also. So you talk to your team, okay, and
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me know if you are open to do this as a project along with us, the industries. We can give you the problems. If you're open, we will give it to you. You can solve it for us. We'll help you out, right? And at the end of it, we will give you the experience certificate so you can give it for your jobs. This is one option. No, ma'am, I still want to do the e-commerce site no matter what. Means you build an entire database. You have to go sit and take photos of every single artist, make it look really good, put the description of the product, size of the product, price of the product, everything, build this database, and we will try to sell it to somebody. But it's a long shot. I'm telling you, it's not easy. Not
Yes, ma'am.
everybody, yeah, because it's an artist thing, and locally tourists who come only will buy. That's like a souvenir sort of thing. Online ordering is like only gifting purpose will buy. So your niche is very, very low. So online, unless you have strong marketing with a lot of money to push into ads, push into YouTube, push into Google, it's very difficult. So not many will be interested. But now we are already there with the thing which we can, projects which we need people. So if you can do that, then it's easy so that we can take it from you and you will also get experience. I hope you
Yes,
understand.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you think about both of these options and talk to your team. Then make a list of what coding skills you have, you and your team, or what interest you have, what projects you have done before. Based on that, I will give the, if you are interested in Java, or if you are interested in like back end, front end, I don't know. Based on that, whatever we have, we will give you. You work on it for the next 2 months and give us the product, and then we'll give you the certificate and whatever support we can do for that. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
So you'll talk and let me know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last thing is how much time can you spend for this particular work every day? Because when you work
Like,
with us in the industry, like you have to spend time every day.
ma'am, actually, we are four member in a single team. So two of us are in mentorship program. Like we are having internship and mentorship both going on.
Okay.
So for me and Khushbu, basically we are in mentorship program. So weekdays and all, we will have the classes. We'll have the test and classes. Weekend, me and Khushbu will work, and the other two member, Kansham and Pooja, can do like weekly. They can spend 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours, something like that.
So they can spend. Okay. So we'll split
Yes,
up the entire team and everybody will get the experience. Like that we can plan. Talk to your entire team, right? And then give me the interest and coding that they are in, they want to do, what is their interest and what is their strength and what is their talent. Based on that, we will give you the project and you guys will work. Okay?
okay,
Sorry,
ma'am.
if you want e-commerce site, then selling it is difficult, but you can just develop it for your experience and make a database. Honestly, I'm telling you, it's difficult to sell because since there are clients already there, it's difficult to sell as an e-commerce site. It's difficult to sell without marketing. But if we can just build a database and maybe try to give it to somebody, like maybe Chhattisgarh government or something, like we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's the best shot that we have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. So you discuss with your team and let me know. You have any other questions?
No, ma'am, and thanks for giving ideas and all.
No, no problem. You take care of your health, okay?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay. Okay, Samad. So please tell us what is your problem and solution in one sentence, please.
So basically, ma'am, we have tried to replace the water cooler with
Okay.
earthen pot.
Okay.
With earthen pot. So the main problem with earthen pot is that it required human resistance, and the rate of cooling is very slow. Like 2 to 3 hours is required for cooling of water. So we have solved the
Okay.
problem. We have solved the main problem with the earthen pot using solenoid valves, Arduino, and other electronic items.
Okay. So it's a water. It's a like a advanced water cooler sort of thing.
Yeah, for drinking water.
So it's a clay pot cooler, or is it like water filter like in our homes?
No, it is not a filter. It is only cooler. So, like you have used earthen pot in our homes, but it requires human resistance,
Earthen
right?
pots. That's what like the
Yeah.
pot. Okay. Okay.
Traditional earthen pot.
Traditional earthen pot. You have made it little modern. Is it like that?
Yeah, yeah. We have made it
Okay.
automatic so that it doesn't require
Automated.
human
Okay.
resistance, and we have
What
reduced the time for cooling.
reduce the time for cooling in the earthen
Yeah.
pot?
Yeah.
If you pour water into earthen pot itself, it will be like cool only, no? Like,
No, it
does it
requires
take a lot of time?
1 to 2 hours for cooling. Approximately 2 hours for cooling.
Okay, so traditional earthen pot takes 2 hours to cool, but you are
Yeah.
making it faster.
Yeah, around
How,
30 to
how are
45
you
minutes.
making it faster? Sorry? 45 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. So we have used a solenoid valve, two solenoid valves, Arduino, and
Okay.
we have done C++ programming in that. So accordingly, we have actually our prototype is done, but it is not in working condition right now.
Why is it not working?
There is some problem with the solenoid valve, but we will fix it within this month only. So
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. So Samarth and who's your team member?
My team members are from my college only, right? In first year only, first year mechanical.
All of you are first year?
First year mechanical.
All of you are first year mechanical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are first year mechanical. So are you doing? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you doing this as a project for experience, or do you want to take it as a serious, startup, or do you want to do like a final year project? Like, what is the idea?
Ma'am, actually, I am working on like sustainable environment project.
Sorry, your network is really bad, Samad. Sustainable what?
Ma'am, I am parallelly
Yeah.
working on air conditioner also.
You are parallelly working on air conditioner. Okay.
So we are working on sustainable products which are good for the environment. So
Sustainable
not as a
products.
college, not as a like college project. We are just working on it.
You are working on it. That's just a project. I understood. So, do you want to do it into a startup or do you want to build a technology and sell it? What's your idea?
Like a startup, we are
You are
thinking.
interested in a startup.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Interested in startup. Okay, so how much time do you guys spend on this every day?
Like weekly, we spend 3 to 4 hours.
Whole week, including weekdays.
No, per week 3 to 4 hours.
That's what the whole week, 7 days, you spend only 4 hours.
Yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
it? Okay. Weekly 3-4 hours. Okay. So okay, so you guys want to do a startup. So this is basically a device that you attach to the earthen pot, which can reduce the cooling time. This is all it is. There is
Yeah,
no other thing,
and
right?
it can
Yeah.
be used in commercial places as well, in schools, colleges, so that it does not require human assistance also.
Commercial where?
In schools, colleges,
Schools, colleges. Where?
yeah, for
No, the
drinking.
pot, wherever the pot is only you can use this, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So your target is ideally whoever has an earthen pot can use this to make the water cool faster.
yeah.
Okay. So if you are considering a startup with sustainable products, first of all, that is very good and a very domain that you have taken. Very good domain that you have taken. And first year itself you have started, so that is also very excellent. So good job on that. Coming to your product on the earthen pot. So earthen pot itself again, especially when you see like nowadays awareness is coming, people are buying it. So that sales itself is like a push. But you are now adding one product to the earthen pot, and it should also work really well. So these things are something we should really take care of. That is one thing. So second thing is it really a problem that the cooling does not happen within it takes 2 hours to cool? Is it a very big problem is a question. So who is the majority of the people who buy these then pots, or like the urban people the rural people, just they buy the pot and they just take a tumbler sort of thing, drink water. That's what I've
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
in many. Yeah, and now there are these fancy things where the tap is attached to it. Now that is the next trend that's coming, where they attach the tap to it and you can open and drink, fill it with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
cup.
Yeah.
This is the biggest sort of thing which is coming up as a product as far as I've seen in the market. Real time as a consumer, I'm talking. As a customer, I have seen these two products. So compared to the water filter, like everybody's house, especially in city, will definitely have a water purifier, water filter. No way without water filter. Like you can see in cities, especially even now, rural, everyone has water filter, right? Like that is how it is. So from that water filter, will they store it in an earthen pot and drink is another question. So you have a lot of layers to discuss about the sales part. Okay,
Ma'am,
so this is one
actually, we
point.
are working on that only. We
Yes.
have connected a solenoid valve to the water directly to the water filter, which is connected to the earthen pot. So no need of like pouring in water in the earthen pot.
Okay. Okay. Again, yeah, we lost your connection. You're on mute. Actually. Okay.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. We have connected a solenoid valve, which is attached to the water filter and that earthen pot. So it will automatically take in water whenever necessary.
So the earthen pot has a filter inside.
No, ma'am. Generally, water filters are there in our household, so we are just making a device which will connect.
So you are like wait. You are doing a device with the earthen pot, right? With
Yeah.
with the water purifier, what are you doing?
For filling in water in the earthen pot, we are connecting a solenoid valve which will connect both of them, the water filter and earthen.
Okay, you are okay. Now I have a water filter, then you can connect it to the earthen pot and the water will go into that and then go into your valve and then come out. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay, solenoid valve which can connect to the water filter also. Water filter also. Okay. Okay, interesting. So let's look at this again. As I said, I don't know honestly if it's a real problem that the water is not cooled very fast enough. I'm not sure if it's a real problem. But if it is a cheaper solution, probably we can market it. It all depends on the marketing aspect. But if you use the same technology to make hot water cool faster, that has industrial applications. Okay, because in Chennai or in these summer areas, especially with climate change, the water is very hot everywhere. Where they take industrial water from lakes or from tanks, even storage tanks, the water gets heated very high. When you talk about the earthen pot, already it has cooling properties. So again, to use it there makes the purpose little trivial, I would say. But if you can put it in a water tank, like have you seen in summer or any time at your homes when you open the tap, the water is so hot.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
It's too hot, right? Like you cannot even wash your face in the summer. It's like so hot till like a long time. It's very hot. Okay, so if you can make something which can cool down, like in the plastic tanks or the tanks that we have, like industrial water or something, it has huge applications. Like you gotta think little bigger. Earthen pot is already cooler. If you make it there, the purpose, like from 2 hours to 45 minutes, is it something very unique? Is a question you have to ask. But if the same concept you put it somewhere else with hot water, even if you can cool it little bit without like the pouring hot water, if you can cool it down a little bit, also it's useful, right? So, have you thought about this?
Ma'am, actually, the main problem with the water coolers is that they like a study is there which states that organophosphate esters are found in like waters which we drink from water coolers, so it is bad for our health.
Okay, the earthen pot itself is bad.
No, the water coolers we are using nowadays.
Water filters, yes. Water filters are definitely bad. Actually, people, like, we lose a lot of minerals, sort of things. Yes, you are right. I agree. Yeah, but you are not solving that problem, right?
No, ma'am, the water coolers which are there in our commercial places like in colleges, schools, they are causing more health related issues.
See, the water cooler, as in like the thing that stands there with hot and cold. Are you telling about that one?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, got you. I was in the filter thing. Okay, so instead of that, first of all, you have to convince them to buy the earthen pot, right?
Yes.
So that itself is a shift in the consumer behavior. Water cooler is very easy because it's just like you put it over there. You have hot and you have cold. So that's a simple mindset thing. They have made it like that in every system. So to give them an option, like ask them to shift it to the earthen pot, and again in earthen, but you are not again. Okay, wait. Okay, so are you asking again? The problem you are solving is only earthen pot faster cooling. This is what in earthen pot faster cooling. This is what you are solving. So you can't really take the organophosphate problem because you are not a new earthen pot. You're just improvise. Can you hear me now? Okay. You are making an improvised earthen pot. So again, if you are looking into the sales of it and all, again, first of all, think about little more value addition. I think only the time is not a value addition alone. If you really think about something else, that can be good, like water which you put directly will have some stones or something you're filtering. I don't know, I'm just coming up with some random stuff.
Yes, ma'am, we are working on like both, like making the water filter and
yeah. So if you can make a very advanced earthen pot pot filtration system, which is very, very, valuable, then you can offer it as a perfect replacement for the current water filters or current water coolers. It should be having higher value. Just reducing time from 2 hours to 45 minutes is not easy enough, because already making people to buy earthen pot itself is still not reached to a great extent. I hope you understand.
Yes.
I'm not saying you are doing some. I am saying you are do little more. That's what I'm saying.
Like the
You are
whole
on the
setup.
right.
Yes, ma'am. Develop the whole setup.
Make it ready-made. Yeah, make it ready-made. Don't tell them it'll do faster cooling and all. That is the only point you have. But this is a perfect replacement to the current water coolers. It has no electricity. You don't have to charge it. You don't have to, like, hot and cold, both it can give whatever. I don't know, I'm just telling you. If you give it as a perfect replacement and it's affordable, or you make it like unbreakable, you give some coating so that it does not break easily. I don't know, I'm just telling you stuff, right? Giving you examples. So then we have a shot, right? We'll have a shot. But this is little difficult to sell with only one feature, which is saying that I'm assuming it works well, right? In the case that it works really well, from 2 hours to 45 minutes is not a very big value at this point. That's what I'm saying. So if you can make it a very bigger replacement, then it's like exact replacement with so many features which are valuable, not like chuma adding features like just like that, but valuable features, then we can really work it out. It'll be a very good replacement. So you have to think on this aspect. So get back to us with what kind of features you're looking for, and a comparative study of the existing advanced earthen pots in India and abroad. Just maybe pick out like 10-20 pots or 10-20 instances, whoever is your competition, right? Then you will get some idea for the features. So let us know what you want to do, then what support you need, then we'll help you. Okay?
Yes, we will work on it. The whole setup, right? The filter and the cooling system.
Whatever you do, it should be like an immediate whole replacement. You take this filter, you put this, you have, something good. And it's affordable. It has this hot water, cold water, whatever with the filter, which is very healthy and all. Then people will go for it, right? But if you tell it's only one thing which is changing from a normal part is 20 rupees and you are selling it for like 45 rupees with extra cooling, means why would they buy it? Yeah, like it's 2 hours, it's nothing. 45 minutes to 2 hours is not very big difference. That's what from consumer
Yes, ma'am.
mindset,
Getting it. Yes.
that's the only thing. Otherwise, if you offer a full product with higher value, definitely we can push it more in the market.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you work on that, make the list, make the competitor list, make your features list, and then tell us what you need. Then we will work on getting you the support. Okay, so I think that is the next thing to do. Yeah, thank you.